Hello guys, today I'm assembling 10 frame deep supers, and I wanted to share things I've learned in the past about the boxes I purchased. The guy that makes the equipment for me, he dries the lumber to a moisture content of 6 roughly, which is what you would do if you were making furniture. However, these boxes go outside and the moisture content of the lumber is much higher when it's outside. Here in Nova Scotia it's 14 in the summer maybe, and highs 20 in the winter. So that causes the lumber to expand. Here we build the boxes 9 and 5/8 deep. But after I assemble the equipment, and this is obviously had bees in it, and it's been outside for a year, the lumber expands. What was 9 5/8 is now over 9 3/4. So that causes the box to grow, and between the two boxes it throws bee space out of proportion, and the bees build a lot of bird comb. So I've spoken with him, and I've tried to convince him, at least for my boxes, or build the boxes with lumber that has a higher moisture content. I just picked these up the other day, and I'm going to check the moisture. 8%, 6 to 8%. Yeah, see? So the lumber expands because the box goes outside, and once the box has been outside, it goes up to our outside moisture, which is 14 to 18, as high as 20. Like if the box was getting wet, it could be 20 or more. I staple the boxes with a 7/16 Bostik air stapler. It works really well. It's light. I was using a King Canada, which was junk. It put together a lot of boxes, but it was heavy. I'm using medium crown staples, 2-inch 7/16. I know some people glue, screw, and do all kinds of things, but once you have 36 fasteners in it total, 36 fasteners, that's a lot of fasteners. Another issue I've run into is I've purchased the boxes and brought them home, and I've stored them. I didn't put them together right away, and the moisture content raised quite a bit into the lumber, which caused it to expand, and the fingers wouldn't fit together because each piece can expand differently. If you've ever purchased boxes and had them for a year before you put them together and they didn't fit, that's why, because you've stored the lumber at a different moisture than the manufacturer. There's 100 boxes that come on a pallet, and they're not budget, they're commercial. There is some pieces that he shouldn't sell me, but he does. I don't like this stuff. The knots on the finger, I can live with that, but I don't really like it. And there's things like that, knots on the bottom. gives me a few extra pieces so I can discard the ones I don't like. I don't know why he sends them in the first place. That's not so bad. I don't like it, but I won't use it unless I have to. And here's bug damage. I was having a lot of fun putting boxes together the first couple hundred, but I'm starting to reevaluate how much fun I'm actually having. So I've got a couple hundred put together, another 100 here to go, and I have another 100 in the storage shed.